Well, here we are, YouTube, in the back garden. Just lit the fire pit, so that's starting to get itself nice and warm, ready for later. Got the missus here, who's probably on Instagram there, checking things out.
Yeah.
We've got the balls lit up. We've got the tree lit up. We've got another ball around there lit up. And we've got the water feature on. And for once, we can actually sit out in the back garden because there's no rain. There you go, lights off. There's no rain, there's no wind. It's relatively warm. So here we are. So all that work we've done on the back garden and all the stuff you can see. Oh, we've got the candle on as well. Look at that, it's just come on. Beer's on the table. The heater's on the table. So all that work we did on the back garden, revamping it, remodeling it, which you can see in other videos on YouTube. Just look through my playlist. You'll see it there. This is what it was all for. Okay, we're literally sitting there where the hot tub used to be.
Yeah.
And in the first video, the first job was to actually cut up that hot tub and put it in the bin, put it in the skip. But now we've got some nice rattan furniture, as you can see, which is absolutely lovely. Yeah, and the hanging baskets have done really well this year. Yeah, the garden's just really come along. Another hanging basket over there. You can't really see much of the garden if it's in the dark, but you can see there some of the plants in the pots, rhododendrons and hydrangeas and stuff like that. Just absolutely mental. All the raised borders are built, absolutely full now. Yeah, it's really quite a nice place to be in the evening. And got the fire pit on, chilling, relaxing. What more do you need? Chocolate.
Ice cream.
Chocolate and ice cream. No, we don't. We're on a diet.
Wow. Yeah.
Yeah. Cheers anyway.
Cheers.
There you go. Beer. It's a very light beer. It's a Michelob extra light. So I've not drunk for a week, and I'll see if my liver will cope with something as good as that. Yeah. No calories, no alcohol, no nothing.
I think you'll find it's got calories.
Yeah, I know. Don't get away with it that easy. Right. That is it. Saturday night. Let's enjoy.